Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can add money to your PayPal. Now I'm going to be showing you in this tutorial two methods on how you can add money. The first method for people who live in United States and the second method for people who live outside of the United States. Now if you live in United States, you want to just open your TikTok app inside your phone, or you can just open your browser and search for paypal.com and enter your PayPal details. Now after you are here, you want to click on wallet. After guys you click on wallet, what you guys need to do here, you want to click on link a card or bank, and here you will have like three different options if you live in United States. Now if you live outside of the United States, you will only see here link a debit card or credit card and link a bank account. Now the third option will not be here. Now I don't live in United States currently, so if you live in United States, at the bottom you will see here, instead of this Amex like send account or send money to friends and family in the US without a fee, you will see here add money. Okay, so you want to click on add money, and you will ask you of course for your credit card details or bank account details. You want to enter them there and then click on send, and the process is going to take around 3 to 5 days, okay, for the balance to appear inside your PayPal account. Now if you are outside of the United States, this is also going to be easy. I'm just going to log in into my other PayPal account so they can show you guys how you can add the money to your PayPal even if you live outside of United States. Okay, I'm just going to add here the code. As you can see, this is the code, actually, like it's 9500. Okay, click on just log in into your PayPal account. Okay, now after you are guys on your PayPal account, what you guys need to do, you want to click here, it says request money. Okay, you can do the exact same steps on your iPhone or Android phone or your laptop. Okay, just click on request money, and here of course you are not going to request money from anyone. You are going to request money from yourself, and then you can pay yourself using your credit card. Okay, I'm going to be showing you guys what I mean exactly. So here you want to enter here the email address. It shouldn't be the exact same email address you use to log in into your PayPal account. It should be a different email address. You can create like multiple email addresses inside your phone using the exact same phone number. Okay, so after you have like after you enter here the email address, click on next, and here you want to request money from yourself. Okay, instead of requesting money from someone to pay using their credit card, you can request money from yourself. Now you can also, it says here, what is this for example, nothing. It doesn't really matter what you say here. Click on request money. Okay, as you can see, you requested $100 from this email, which is my email. So I'm going to pay myself. Okay, I'm going to receive an email right now. I'm going to go to the email. Okay, this is it. And as you can see, it says here, you have got a money request. Okay, as you can see, Rashid Otal, which is my name, sent you a money request. Okay, so you are going to pay yourself so that the money will be sent to your PayPal balance. Now you want to click here on pay now, but you don't have to click on pay now on the same like on the same browser, okay, you use to to open your PayPal account. Okay, you want to just, like as you can see, you want to just right click on the button that says here pay now, okay, and click on copy link address. Open a new tab inside your phone or whatever, and then after you are on this page, then as you can see, you will ask you guys to pay $100. As you can see, PayPal will ask you guys that you have a request money request like $100. Now you just need to click on pay as a guest. Okay, and here after you click guys on pay as a guest, you want to enter the country and payment type. Of course, for example, I'm going to sending to friends or family. If you have this option selected, as you can see, sending to friends and family, you just need to enter here legal first name, legal last name, and the card, your credit card. This is it. I'm going to enter here my credit card. The security code is, as you can see, this one. Now you want to enter here the straight address, and that's it. Now, and the email address, okay, your email address, and that's exactly what you need to do. And click on agree and create. Okay, now in the next page, you will ask you guys to confirm, and then you can you can then send the money directly to yourself. Okay, that's exactly guys how you can add the money to your PayPal, okay, if you live outside of the United States. If you have any questions, go to the comments and let me know exactly if you have any questions or anything. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video.